Plans and projects for women. Unleash your creativity. Woodworking has long been considered a craft predominantly practiced by men. However, in recent years, there has been a significant shift as more and more women have embraced this versatile and rewarding hobby. Women have proven time and again that they not only have the skill but also the creativity to excel in woodworking. With an array of woodworking plans and projects tailored to their interests and preferences, women are carving their own path in the world of craftsmanship. The rise of women in woodworking. Women have found solace, empowerment, and artistic expression in woodworking. The craft allows them to channel their creativity into tangible pieces of artistry, be it functional furniture or intricate decor items. The surge in women taking up woodworking is not merely a trend but a testament to the inclusive nature of this craft. It welcomes everyone, regardless of gender, to explore their artistic and practical talents. Woodworking plans designed for women. Woodworking plans designed with women in mind offer a wide range of projects that cater to various skill levels and preferences. These plans recognize the unique tastes and styles that women bring to the table, celebrating both form and function. Here are some inspiring woodworking projects tailored for women. 1. Customized jewelry boxes. Craft a one-of-a-kind jewelry box that reflects your personal style. Women can choose the wood type, finish, and design elements to create a perfect home for their cherished accessories. 2. Handcrafted bookshelves. Women who love to read or collect books can design and build elegant bookshelves to display their literary treasures. These can be customized with unique shapes and finishes. 3. Adorable birdhouses. Create charming birdhouses that not only attract feathered friends but also serve as garden decor. Paint them in vibrant colors and designs to add a touch of whimsy to your outdoor space. 4. Picture frames with personality. Design and build custom picture frames that showcase your favorite memories. These frames can be personalized with intricate carvings or embellishments to complement your photos. 5. Garden planters. Craft decorative planters to add a touch of nature to your living spaces. These can be designed to match your outdoor aesthetics and can be filled with colorful flowers or herbs. 6. Children's furniture. For mothers and grandmothers, building children's furniture like small chairs, tables, or toy chests can be a delightful way to bond with loved ones while creating functional pieces for kids. 7. Wooden utensils. Carve unique wooden utensils for your kitchen, such as spoons, spatulas, or cutting boards. These can be customized to suit your cooking style and preferences. Empowerment through woodworking is not just about creating beautiful items but also about gaining confidence and empowerment. As women take on more complex projects, they develop problem-solving skills, patience, and a strong sense of accomplishment. Woodworking also provides an opportunity to connect with a supportive community of fellow enthusiasts, where knowledge sharing and encouragement are key. In conclusion, woodworking plans and projects for women have revolutionized the craft, making it accessible and appealing to a diverse audience. It's an exciting time for women to explore their creative potential and create meaningful, handcrafted pieces that reflect their individuality. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, don't hesitate to pick up those tools and embark on your woodworking journey today. Your imagination is the limit, and the possibilities are endless.